What I love about my die cut machine is that I not only get to make all this cool stuff like t-shirts, keychains, bags, customized bags and stuff like that for myself and my own brand, but it connects me to my community by making local band merch, band tees, making stickers for people, stickers for baby birthdays, you name it. Honestly, I feel like I've worked with so many people in my community, and that was all because my boyfriend at the time, now my husband, bought me the Cricut machine. And the Cricut is a die cut machine, and that means it cuts out anything that you need in a specific shape. You just design it on the computer first. So what I'll do is go into my PC, or you could do it on your phone too, and put it through the machine, and it cuts it. You can cut out vinyl, which is good for t-shirts, permanent vinyl, which is good for making cups and other things like that, making posters and stuff for your walls or your car, like car decals and stuff like that. Or also something that's really popular too is making vinyl waterproof stickers. So I've made stickers for bands, for baby birthdays, for baby showers, local artists, fashion brands, including my own brand, and they're always a hit. You can print out pictures or even die cut your logo in the exact shape that you want, any shape that you want, to be honest, and use it for marketing, or even just like slaps on the street, which I like doing too. So if you're ever in the South Bay and need some stickers for your bands or your brand, hit me up. If you want a fast turnover, because they're super easy to make too, and it's better than waiting like a week for your stickers to come in the mail from one of those sites like Vistaprint or something like that. And it's cheaper, a lot cheaper. Here are some of the stickers that I've made. I really like to do holographic ones too. I've made this one for Thick Thrift, the LA's first plus size thrift market, which is really cool, and I've vended there a lot too. I love them. I've made this for a dispensary company, which is one of those. And I even do small batches too, like 20 shirts, 20 stickers. So I'll put my links in the bio if you want to check out my previous work, or if you want to get some merch for yourself, for your band, or for your business bestie, just let me know. And click one of the links below. Bye.